Amen. I am a Filipino, by Carlos P. Rumol. I am a Filipino, a narrator of a glorious past, hosted to the uncertain future. As a son, I must prove equal to a twofold as the task of meeting my responsibility to the past and the task of performing my obligation to the future. I am from a hardy race, child manipulation, recruit, ancient Himalayan pioneers. Across the centuries, the memories comes rushing back to me. Of brownish skin, been rotting up to see in ships that were as great as their hearts were sunk over the sea by sea. Then come born upon the billowing wave in the wild guide upon the mighty fill of hope in the abundance of